In DATACT, you can set up WMS connections or web map services. What this allows you to do is that you can stream the data that you have in a specific channel in DATACT into any GIS software that you prefer. This allows you both to see the current data that you have on this specific channel. It also allows you to see data that will be added later on into this channel. To set up a WMS, you click the hamburger menu, go to Settings, select the WMS option. Here you can create a new API key. You click this icon here. You can select when this will expire. For this, I will just set it to expire 25th of February. Create. And now you have your WMS API key. This is something that you should keep secure. You should not share this with anybody. Keep in mind, this allows anyone with this key to view all the data within this channel currently and in the future. To get this key, simply click this icon here, copy to clipboard. Now it should be saved to your clipboard. I highly recommend that you save this in a secure place, such as a password manager. Once you have done that, you click on the done icon. And here you can see you have created one WMS key. And in order to enable you to set this up in a GIS software, you also need to have this WMS URL that you can copy as well.